In previous videos, we've looked at the different printing features that are available within Excel. All these printing features we've explained in the context of printing to a page. However, in this video, I want to look at a different kind of printing, which is the export functionality within Excel. This means effectively we are printing the document into a different file type, but many of the rules will remain the same. So first of all, what is exporting? Well, in the context of Excel and what we're going to look at, exporting simply means taking a proportion or potentially all of the document you are working with and converting it into a different format available to different programs. So let's just jump straight in and look at how we can export this document. I'm going to go into the File tab, and from there I'm going to look at the winner here, the tab called Export, and we have one main option here, which is Create PDF XPS. We'll look at this change file type in a different manner in a second, but let's go ahead with the Create PDF XPS. We can see here that we are about to create a file, and the file type is PDF. So we are effectively saving this file as a PDF. We also have a tick box here indicating that we are going to open the file after publishing. I'm going to leave that ticked so that we can see the output of what we've just printed. And I'm going to hit Publish. Notice that it says Publish and not Save, which is what we might expect in this kind of dialog window. And here we have our PDF export. So the exact same information that was available within our print preview is now available within the PDF document. So we can see, for example, that our information runs as far as profit margin, which, if we look at the file, is the last column that is within the print preview. Let's just have a look at the page break preview again, just to confirm that. And we can see that this information falls outside of the print view, and hence why in my export document we cannot see it. Let's just have a little look at a different way to create exactly the same output. This time I'm going to go to File. I'm going to choose Save As. I'm going to use the current folder, and instead of using the Save As in the context that we normally do, which is just to save an Excel file as an Excel file or perhaps a renamed Excel file, I'm going to go into this drop-down menu here and I will look for PDF. This functionality here, saving as PDF, is effectively, in terms of results, an identical process to the one we've just looked at. I can hit Save. Excel is telling me that I can't make that operation because there's already a file name with that name. So let's just rename that to End of Lesson 2 and hit Save. Similar to before, it's opened the file that we've just created, and we can see that it is exactly the same as the one we had before. So exporting is really just as simple as saving your file type into a different format. Obviously, PDF has the advantage that it's easy to open on any computer, whether or not it has Excel or not. It can even be opened in most mobile phone operating systems. Finally, let's just have a look at one last way of exporting to PDF. From my File menu, I'm going to go to Share. I'm going to use Email, and here I will see that I can send my file as an attachment, or I can send my file as a PDF. So this is a combined feature. What Excel will do if I press this button is convert my file into PDF, as we've just seen, and then attach it to an email and put it into the default email program on your system. So those are the different ways that you can export files into PDF. There's various different ways we can export files from Excel, but PDF is the main one that you'll want to use on a regular basis. That concludes our chapter on PDF export.